Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. Super excited. We're at, the team today is in Inglewood, California at a place called Environmental Charter Middle School. So this is a school campus. Really cool thing about this place is that the campus has either native trees and plants, or it has fruit trees. It's an amazing campus, the most amazing campus on planet Earth, other than the other campus they have over in Gardena. Anyway, for years, the campus has worked with, they've had vegetable boxes. They rotted out, so we just redid, basically just put new wood in the vegetable boxes. What are they going to do with the old stuff? Probably compost it. But anyway, we got the new wood in, but there were no sprinklers. So what we're going to do here is we're actually have a trenching machine to lay pipe. So the trenching machine, it's called the Trench Master. Let's take a look at this, just get a different perspective. Okay, so this is the model E904H. So it's done us really well. We've laid thousands of the linear feet of pipe over the years with this. Really magical thing. Anyway, see what it does is it, through hard clay soil, it lays a small line. That's where we drop our pipe, and then we're gonna dig under here, and we're gonna put connect it up here and put micro sprays. Now it's not just this. Whenever you do irrigation at a campus or a site where you have a lot of distance, it makes sense to have something like this, because you don't want to be digging, and it's just too labor intensive, especially if there's clay soil. A little digging's okay, but not tons and tons of digging. So you got to go from your point of connection water source to where you want to water. And so in this case, we've actually got, you can see the hole here is in the ground. We've had the trencher working all morning. It's just very long. Here's the PVC pipe that it's going to carry the water, and then you can see over here we've actually got the irrigation going in. So we have one person that's kind of digging this trench out, saved us tons of time. But over here, we're actually gluing together the pipe that we're going from where the micro sprays are going to be connected to. Now, the closest water source to this, I'm doing a lot of walking here to show you that's why we brought the machine. The closest water source to here is way over here. They say that the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line, but obviously we couldn't go from here over there because we'd go right through the play site here. So this is where the point of connection, the water source is, and what we did was we put on a T right here. We put what's called a gate valve. So this is the master shutoff. You always want to do that if you're going to put irrigation to anything. You always want to put a shutoff. And then we put 2 rainbird valves. Now there's no electricity here, and so the question comes up, well, what do you do? Because a timer needs to be plugged into something, traditional timers. Well, Rainbird technology has what's called a battery operated timer. It's about the size of a sandwich. You unscrew it, put 2 9-volt batteries in, and you program it, and you're good to go. Fabulous piece of technology. So this right here, this is going to be operable. They'll be able to put these on an automatic watering schedule without, especially in summertime. That's just gold, because nobody may be here for weeks during the summer, and that's when it's hottest, and then your veggies fry. So everything here is organic. They don't use sprays or anything. It's a little bit of cheese weed. It's lunchtime. But that's the magic of this place. No pesticides, no herbicides. It's completely organic campus. Both the kids and the plants and the foodstuffs. Partnering with nature is called permaculture, and so this is a permaculture campus. Wanted to share this with you. We'll do another follow-up video once we're up and running. When we get those valves running, when we get all the sprinklers connected, we'll do another video to show you how it's done and what the result will be. Okay, Mike with Enviroscape LA sign off. When you think sustainability and regenerative practices, think Enviroscape LA.